Warning! Since I am using screenshots from the Objectified webcomic, some of the images will contain gore and blood, bodies, and potential spoilers. Hello chat, today I'm going to be doing something a bit different. We're doing a very quick lesson on objectified biology, so I hope you enjoy. This one is about mouths, because I couldn't think of anything else. I get to the eyes, okay? Okay, so with all objects, they have the basic structure of the mouth. We can see that they have teeth, gums, a tongue, and the mouth. Never mind, this looks like dynamite, I'm assuming that the mouth is also like a 3D structure, which is a point I'll go back to. Here we have a more, in-universe representation provided by Razor's lovely face. Okay, just examine it. A lot of, carnivorous and omnivorous bestials seem to have this general sharp teeth structure of, the fangs and stuff. As you can see with, Lava Lamp in the corner, as she's prepared to be mauled by Razor. Sorry about that, but you can see that she has, smaller teeth than Razor's, and her fangs are more, slimmer. Less, bulky. But you can also see it with, this guy. I don't know what he is, but I like his tail. You can see, but it's a bit less detailed right there, sort of. Also, it's quick to mention that insect bestials also have, sharp teeth, so I get it's mostly a common structure in bestials. But also, Pushpin right here, she also has her mandibles, which is pretty cool. Mushroom and other funguses, they also have mandibles, but they seem to just appear when they want to. I'll get into it in a bit. I don't know if we have any other, herbivorous bestials, but there is Carrot, and you can see here, just barely his, two back teeth, two large sizes. Curiously, despite his animal type being a rabbit, he has been shown, eating meat, based off, in this image, he's eating, I think, fried fish, and there's also him being delivered morbidly bits of Wagyu, if you remember that. I don't know if this is, just a Carrot thing, but I wouldn't be surprised if, other herbivorous, bestials could have the ability to eat meat, because it's kind of seen in, real life with, deers eating baby birds, same with cows, so it's a whole thing. As we can see with these delightful images, hominid objects appear to have, a more uniform set of teeth. They most definitely have molars and incisors, but it is unique that they don't seem to have any, canines. While this most definitely is just an art direction to make drawing teeth more simpler, it could also be taken that hominid objects may prefer to eat more softer meat, or meat that has been softened, as, I guess, without canines, they can't tear more harder meat. Well, here we have Freaky PK. So with hominid objects, their tongues are more rounded like ours. In, bestial objects, we can see that they have forked tongues, Oh, sometimes, with, objects like fish tank and also dragon scale. Okay. More tapered tongues are also seen in, objects like body pillow and, the fruit bat. Fine, I forgot his name. What was he called? He was called Citrus. Okay. And, okay, so, and finally on the list of objects are the funguses, the mycelium infected guys. Okay, so, as we can see with Mushroom, she has more, like, needle-like teeth. Like, they're less like the teeth that you'd see on, like, Razor or her platonic lover, Dynamite. Sorry about that, I was affected by the swarm of angry bees. There's so much bees. Anyways, there's no reason for this. I just wanted to include this panel because I like this panel. It's my video, not yours. Anyways, more mushroom teeth. This isn't just a mushroom thing either. Other funguses have this, such as Polybolus here, with his needle teeth. And also, you can see his present mandibles, which Mushroom also has kind of. I mean, I'm not getting the image of it. You can find it in the same episode where the skunk guy gets killed, I guess. Okay, so I didn't know what to do with this panel that I collected, but, okay, so we do know that mouths are made of animal cells because of PK saying that animal cells also make up the face of the object in the intermission 1 organ space. And you can also see it in this panel where the faces look red because that's their muscle and they've been scratched off. And so, when those animal cells in the mouth rot, there is a death scar that is left. That is basically just scarred synthetic tissue. You can also see it with the eyes and where the limbs once attached to. Yeah. And all that is left is like a 2D... Yeah, it's not 3D anymore. There is no depth to it. It's flat, and that is it. So, what I'm trying to get at is that the mouth could be a part of organ space, same as the eye sockets. It's kind of like they're in their own play. I don't know. I thought it was neat. Okay, guys, that was my lesson. Yeah, I had to. This probably took like a whole day, but anyways, maybe I could make a bet too about. Nah,